Hello guys, today we are going to solve this problem unique length palindrome subsequences. As the question is mentioned, we are given a string and we have to return the unique palindromes of length 3 that are a subsequence of s. What is a subsequence? For example, here AC is there and ACE here are present in the string with a sequence, right? 0, 2 and 5, sorry, and 4. So this is a subsequence, right? So now we have to calculate every length of 3 palindrome with the subsequence present. As we can see here, ABA, ACA and AAA. So now let us get into it. One thing we have to understand about this problem is there are only unique characters in the middle, which may be the same repeated, or else any letter, which are only 26, right? And another thing is the first and the last occurrences of the string, which should be same as it is a length of 3 palindrome. Now let's get into it. D, and for I comma v in enumerate of s, if v in d, then d of v dot append I. We are appending the indexes, right? Or else d of v equal to I in list. Okay, now let us take an array and append the min and max indexes here. Okay, now let us go for I in d dot values, right? If length of I greater than 1, because there will be unique characters, and this will be of length 1 also when there are only unique characters like b, right? So we don't want that. If length of I greater than 1, then L dot append min of I comma max of I. So we'll be getting the starting and the ending indexes. Now take a rest, which is the 0, which we want to return, right? Now for st comma and in L, okay, the starting and ending indices values unique equal to set of s of st plus 1 after the value or after the starting index and to the end, which is already exclusive, right? Now rest plus equal to length of unique. Now let us just return rest. As we can see, it is successfully executed. Now let us submit it. It is successfully submitted, guys, and is one of the best optimized approach. But coming to memory, it is a more unoptimized because we are using dictionary and we are using set also, right? So it is a little bit unoptimized, but regarding the time and the approach is very good. If you don't understand this, try run the test cases in pytutor.com. Thank you, guys.